This is another resource that is meant to be used by instructors. It certainly could be used by parents or homeschool parents or homeschoolers. When you order the print copy of this book, the intention is actually for you to cut it up. This is also available in PDF form, so you can send it right to your printer. But some teachers I know may not have access to color print, and this is an option to have color copies of this. So these are vocabulary words or vocabulary phrases that are commonly taught in New York State biology. Now this may also be applicable, I would imagine it probably is applicable to other states. But since I have taught in New York State, I know what's the vocabulary. This is the vocabulary that is directly coming from the New York State regions. But numerous other states probably have similar topics and similar vocabulary. So this is arranged once again like my Do Nows and Exit Tickets book, and also my lab book. This is arranged by topic, and it's color-coded by topic. I give you some strategies for incorporating the word wall, because word walls are typically done in English classrooms, or if you're teaching reading to students, for English language learners, often use word walls, so it might not be so common among science teachers. So this is a way to incorporate language skills, and again, this is color-coded. Like, for example, green is biochemistry. So here are some vocabulary words or vocabulary phrases with their definitions. Like, for example, man-made, another way to say it is fake, and there's a diagram that goes along with the color coding. And it tells you, okay, man-made, fake, imitation, they all mean about the same thing. Here's a word, basic, and it has this diagram with it. So basic also goes with alkaline, okay? Cohesive, like things stick together, all right? So those two words go together because you've got the puzzle pieces on them. Adhesive, so we have a little bottle of glue and a Band-Aid there, and that goes with unlike things stick together. So that's what adhesive means. So that's just an example from biochemistry. We have a separate unit here for cellular energy. That's color-coded. Okay? So ATP is the same thing as adenosine triphosphate, also considered energy. The classification unit, all color-coded. Ecology unit, J-shaped exponential curve, so they're color-coded and they have the diagram that matches. Evolution, color-coded. Okay. So change over time is the same as natural selection. Survival of the fittest, their diagrams all go together, and this way would help with, any possible confusion that they might have about the words. Reproduction and development, okay? So these are words that go together, and it shows some minor differences between chromosome, chromatid, and centromere, because those words are so similar. Scientific inquiry, verify is similar to check, is similar to repeated experimentation. Okay? The study of life, protozoa, protist, protista. So those are words that students often see, and they might get confused about the different endings, but we can help them understand that those are similar things. All right. So again, a great instructional tool for anyone helping students or their own children with the living environment curriculum.